Welcome to my channel Coding Abby, and in the last video we saw what is inheritance in Dart. In this video we will see the concept of polymorphism. So let's quickly create a class. For example, class employee, and we will have integer salary of the employee. Then we will have a string name of employee. Okay, that's it for now. We will see. Okay, we will calculate the age of the employee, or DOB, let's say. Okay, mm, let's make it age only. Now there might be some methods in the employee class like print variables or print details. Okay, so this will simply print all the details of a particular employee, like this dot salary. Then you have, okay, we will beautify the output salary, then control copy, and here is name, here is age, and this should be dollar symbol. Okay, just making sure the syntax is correct for printing the values. Then we have curly brace. By this time you might be knowing this dollar symbol. So this is a print detail function which simply prints sorry which simply prints the details of the employee. Now we have a second class, let's suppose manager, and it extends, means it inherits from employee class. We can say that polymorphism is based on inheritance, because when there is inheritance then only we can define polymorphism concept. So in this class we will have all these variables, salary, name, and age, of employee class inside manager class, since we are extending the manager class from employee. But the difference between manager and employee is that manager's salary is a bit what we can say greater than rest of the employees. So we have to then modify this print function using our inside our manager class for increased salary. So how to do that? We will simply do um, addret override. This means that we are overriding a particular function which is been inherited from the parent class. So we are overriding print details. Okay, the spelling is wrong for details here. Print details, and let me define the data type here, void. Even here void for simplicity. So in this we have to sorry in this we have to see that the super class or the parent class original function should be called. For that we will do super dot uh, yeah, see, print details. Super indicate, super is a keyword in Dart, again like class or extend. Super keyword signifies the parent class of the current class. So super, we have to call this every time we use polymorphism concept. Polymorphism in short means taking many forms. We have manager class, but we know that manager is an employee. So according to the dry principle, that is do not repeat yourself, we won't write the whole employee class again for manager. Instead, we will modify some of the functions which are there in the employee class for manager class, in a with using polymorphism. So we can say that print. For that, we have to create the incremented salary or incremented sal variable. Okay, let's make it a default value of 30,000 just for our reference, and this salary of a common employee is 10,000. So we have print uh, incremented salary of a manager and dollar symbol again, this dot uh, incremented sal. Okay, and semicolon. So let me expand this. Sorry. In the main function, we will cut this code and make two variables. Or let's suppose we make manager class variable manager is equal to manager and its constructor. So we have to now call this print details function, print details, and that's it. After we run the code, you can see that this will print the salary, means this will first execute super.print details, that is this function. Then it will execute this line also inside this print details function only, because we are overriding the parent class print details function with our custom specified method or specified function for print details in our manager class or child class. Now let's run this code and see what we get as an output. Yeah, exactly. Oh, sorry. Everywhere this 10,000, 10,000, 10,000 is printed because we are printing everywhere salary, salary, salary. So let us change here name, then age, and let's assign some name and age. Manager dot name. Name is equal to 10. Its name, right? So its name is equal to Abby, and manager dot age is equal to 20. Okay, and if we run the code now, you can see here 10,000, Abby 20, and the incremented salary is 30,000. So I hope you have understand the concept of polymorphism. We will stop this video here. So if you like the video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to follow my next videos. Thank you.